Sunday, November 9th, 2025, AGNDD IntelliReport topic: OpenAI solution to AI hallucinations would kill ChatGPT tomorrow. Please pardon any visual and informational inaccuracies in this entirely AI-generated article-based video. Why OpenAI's solution to AI hallucinations would kill ChatGPT tomorrow. By Wei Xing, published September 27, 2025. OpenAI has published a new paper identifying why ChatGPT is prone to making things up. Unfortunately, the problem may be unfixable. OpenAI's latest research paper diagnoses exactly why ChatGPT and other large language models can make things up, known in the world of artificial intelligence as hallucination. It also reveals why the problem may be unfixable, at least as far as consumers are concerned. The paper provides the most rigorous mathematical explanation yet for why these models confidently state falsehoods. It demonstrates that these aren't just an unfortunate side effect of the way that AIs are currently trained, but are mathematically inevitable. The issue can partly be explained by mistakes in the underlying data used to train the AIs. But using mathematical analysis of how AI systems learn, the researchers prove that even with perfect training data, the problem still exists. The way language models respond to queries, by predicting one word at a time in a sentence based on probabilities, naturally produces errors. The researchers in fact show that the total error rate for generating sentences is at least twice as high as the error rate the same AI would have on a simple yes-no question, because mistakes can accumulate over multiple predictions. In other words, hallucination rates are fundamentally bounded by how well AI systems can distinguish valid from invalid responses. Since this classification problem is inherently difficult for many areas of knowledge, hallucinations become unavoidable. It also turns out that the less a model sees a fact during training, the more likely it is to hallucinate when asked about it. With birthdays of notable figures, for instance, it was found that if 20% of such people's birthdays only appear once in training data, then base models should get at least 20% of birthday queries wrong. Sure enough, when researchers asked state-of-the-art models for the birthday of Adam Kallai, one of the paper's authors, DeepSeek v3 confidently provided 3 different incorrect dates across separate attempts: 03, 07, 15, 06, and 01, 01. The correct date is in the autumn, so none of these were even close. The evaluation trap. More troubling is the paper's analysis of why hallucinations persist despite post-training efforts, such as providing extensive human feedback to an AI's responses before it is released to the public. The authors examined 10 major AI benchmarks, including those used by Google, OpenAI, and also the top leaderboards that rank AI models. This revealed that 9 benchmarks use binary grading systems that award 0 points for AIs expressing uncertainty. This creates what the authors term an epidemic of penalizing honest responses. When an AI system says, "I don't know," it receives the same score as giving completely wrong information. The optimal strategy under such evaluation becomes clear: always guess. The researchers prove this mathematically. Whatever the chances of a particular answer being right, the expected score of guessing always exceeds the score of abstaining when an evaluation uses binary grading. The solution that would break everything. OpenAI's proposed fix is to have the AI consider its own confidence in an answer before putting it out there, and for benchmarks to score them on that basis. The AI could then be prompted, for instance, answer only if you are more than 75% confident, since mistakes are penalized 3 points while correct answers receive 1 point. The OpenAI researchers' mathematical framework shows that under appropriate confidence thresholds, AI systems would naturally express uncertainty rather than guess, so this would lead to fewer hallucinations. The problem is what it would do to user experience. Consider the implications if ChatGPT started saying, "I don't know," to even 30% of queries. a conservative estimate based on the paper's analysis of factual uncertainty in training data. Users accustomed to receiving confident answers to virtually any question would likely abandon such systems rapidly. I've seen this kind of problem in another area of my life. I'm involved in an air quality monitoring project in Salt Lake City, Utah. When the system flags uncertainties around measurements during adverse weather conditions or when equipment is being calibrated, there's less user engagement compared to displays showing confident readings, even when those confident readings prove inaccurate during validation. The computational economics problem. It wouldn't be difficult to reduce hallucinations using the paper's insights. Established methods for quantifying uncertainty have existed for decades. These could be used to provide trustworthy estimates of uncertainty and guide an AI to make smarter choices.
Thank you for watching this AGNDD IntelliReport, dear viewers. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell button to get notified during new uploads. And make sure to tune in next time. Stay safe and healthy. Cheers!